Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to see how you can send videos in Gmail. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome. And then in here, now open the Gmail. So in order to open the Gmail, you have to go to the search bar right here and start typing gmail.com. After typing so, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Gmail. In here, you can see this is my mailbox. And in here now, what you're going to do is click on the compose option that you can see right here. After clicking on compose option, then now in here, you can add in the address that you want to send your mail to. And in here, you can add in the subject or the context, however you want. I'm going to add in some random context for now. And after you've done that, now click on this link option that you can see right here. So after clicking on the link option, your file will be open, and inside your file, now choose the video that you want to send. I'm going to choose from my gallery, so I'm going to open my gallery, and in here I'm going to choose this screen recording right here, and then click on open. So after you've done that, it will take some times because the screen recording that I have selected was quite long and it was more than 25 MB, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be sent as a Google Drive. So if your videos are short, it won't be converted into Google Drive. It will straight be in your Gmail and you can send your Gmail just like that. Here you can see my video is being converted into Google Drive because my video is too long. And when the video is done converting into Google Drive, it will be attached to your mail and then you can simply just click on the send in order to send the mail. So for now, I'm simply just going to click on cancel. And like this, you can send videos on your Gmail. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.